game changer. I'm a risk taker.
Hello, welcome to RoboCup Asia Pacific 2021 Aichi Japan. About my team. My team name is iRoboForce and the member is only me, Iku Maya Satya. I come from Indonesia. I've been following all other line tracer competition and Mesolving Junior Robotic competition in 2014 as a participant. Third place at Capco Space Autonomous Driving Challenge U19 Tianjin 2021. Quarter finalist RCG Rescue Simulation Co-Space RoboCup Worldwide 2021. Best Presentation Award RCG Rescue Simulation Co-Space RoboCup Worldwide 2021. Exclusive summary of preliminary challenge. The problems I investigated. First, avoid from entering the trap zone accurately and move swiftly. Methods: giving a more varied program of action such as turning at the proper speed and go forward at the proper duration. The result: the robot can dodge traps precisely without requiring a lot of time. Effectively avoid obstacles within the entire area while moving at high speed. Methods: set the evasion distance range precisely so as not to hit obstacles ahead by adding some action conditions. Result: robot's obstacle avoidance will be smoother and better. Respond and immediately pick up the super object before the object's location signal has completely disappeared. And put the loaded object to the deposit box quickly and accurately. Methods: by using the track coning or line of sight autopilot so the robot can go to their target quickly. The result: the robot can easily pick up super objects on the map and quickly bring loaded objects to the deposit box but still can avoid the obstacles in front of it. Avoid from entering boundaries around the map. Methods: giving more varied program based on several conditions that might occur. Result: the robot can dodge boundaries precisely without requiring a lot of time and can move in the right direction according to the robot condition. Conclusion: if the robot can implement the method correctly, it will be in a perfect position to detect objects, pick it up, and directly bring it to the deposit box. Challenge mission. The main challenge is the robot has to collect objects as much as possible. In that video, robot can run well in the max speed or 100. The robot also has to collect all three colors, which are red, cyan, and black, so that the super object can appear. Once the robot is fully loaded, robot has to go to the deposit box and depositing all of the loaded object. If super object was created, the robot has to go to the super object's location and pick it up. The main challenge can be broken down into mini tasks, which are collecting and depositing objects using color sensor and basic program, pick up super object using color sensor and some additional program, avoiding obstacles using ultrasonic sensor, and run as fast as possible in swimlane. Will the overall mission solve if the above mini task completed? Yes. If one of the above mini tasks is not completed, the mission will be obstructed or not completed. AI algorithm and research. Number 1 is highest priority. Super object detection using new variable to catch the location signal and the RGB color sensor to detect ping. Deposit box detection using RGB color sensor to detect orange marker. Run in swimlane using RGB color sensor to detect gray marker and adjust the speed to max speed. Avoid boundary using compass and coordinate position in several conditions that might happen. Adjust the speed. Avoid trap using RGB color sensor to detect yellow marker and adjust the speed and duration. Collect objects using RGB color sensor to detect red, cyan, and black. Move forward and obstacles avoidance using ultrasonic sensor and adjust the speed. Target acquisition using jet reckoning method to go to the target precisely. Implementation. Super object detection. There are some new variables such as S_X, S_Y, go to target and target them. S_X is used to read the super object's exposition as well as S_Y. Go to target is used as a sign of which target to go next. In this case, the next target is super object. Target done is used as a sign that the robot has reached the target. Deposit box detection. Using RGB color sensor to detect orange marker. Also add new variable in advanced action to make sure the robot has arrived and put the object to the deposit box. The robot can deposit the objects when it has loaded objects more than 2. Once the robot has deposited, the go-to-target variable is back to 0. Run in swimlane using RGB color sensor and adjust the speed to max speed. Avoid boundary First, we need to set the minimal and maximal of X position and Y position, and then set the compass according to several conditions that might happen, and last, set the action which will be executed when the robot encounters the condition. For example, based on the picture, the robot's position are X position 353, Y position 57, and compass 312. According to program, robot encountered the bound X max T condition. X max means robot position is on the right and exceed the limit of X-axis boundary. T means robot orientation is facing up. Robot will turn left according to program. Avoid trap using RGB color sensor to detect yellow marker and adjust the speed and duration. Firstly, we need to set the RGB for red, green, and blue to detect yellow marker or traps color. And then we need to adjust robot speed and duration. I adjust the duration for 20. If the duration is more than 10, the robot will turn right. If less than 10, it will go forward. Collect objects using RGB color sensor to detect red, cyan, and black. Set the RGB for red color, cyan color, and black colors, and then set other required action. Obstacles avoidance flowchart. First of all, we check whether the right ultrasonic sensor detects an obstacle or not. If yes, the robot will avoid that and turn left. After that, we check the left ultrasonic sensor some bit before. If the sensor detects an obstacle, the robot will turn right. And last, if the front ultrasonic sensor detects an obstacle, the robot will go to the second decision program. If the right space of the robot is empty, the robot will turn right and otherwise. Target acquisition using the reckoning method to go to the target precisely. When the robot reaches one target, the next target is selected. To detect if the robot has reached a target, each target has an acceptance radius which has a value equal to half of length of the robot. When the robot is within the acceptance radius of a target, the next target is selected and the new heading is calculated. Debugging. Sometimes the robot runs not according to what I programmed. Each mission sometimes has a different environment and often not aware about it. The differences are in deposit box color, streamline color, and the position of the deposit box. As programmer, I must discover simple and exact ways to unravel the issues and use the best strategies to program the robot. Get used to always debugging first to retrieve data in all necessary conditions. Conclusion and further work. Conclusion. That reckoning plays a big role in solving challenges. The robot can respond and immediately pick up the super object after the object's location signal is found. This method can also be implemented when the robot wants to deposit the loaded objects. Robot can run with the speed of 100 or max speed, but robots sometimes just pass the object without picking it up. By using these methods which we described above, we can minimize the error that we found earlier, so that the robot can work smoothly and accurately according to what we expect and what we want. Further work, improve the data reckoning method. The robot speed is made more varied according to the condition that will be faced, and try to add sweeping strategy. Learning experience. I learned to build programs based on Visual and C code, run a robot virtually, and develop some strategies to solve and complete the rescue challenge. I also develop more experiences so that in the future I hope that we can be more innovative and developing more awesome creations. The most important point is in every challenge there are problems that will be faced. We don't have to give up and must be able to find the methods to solve it. Thank you.